Oxford Street. This is Oxford Circus to be precise. That was Nike Town, but I think Nike's moved over there on the corner. We're walking down along Oxford Street. Nike. Just want to take a peep.
See whether or not the one that
It's Pandora. Lovely shop. Skechers. Now we're gonna walk down here and cross over the road a little bit. Under Armour, lovely shop. If you like sportswear, as I do, and not most people do. And we got next to it Reserved, and we got next to that the famous Clarks. I do love Clarks shoes. I myself have got a few pairs. Famous Clarks. Jocks. Nice. I like these. I like these shoes. Oh, brother. Nice shoes for ladies. Even man. Kirk. Right, gotcha. Nice shop. Beautiful. Wow, look at that. Very colourful. Very nice shop. Very colourful. Nice shop. And on the other side we got John Lewis. I love John Lewis. I love a lot of their stuff that they sell in there, stuff of quality for the middle income people. Yeah, I love it. TikTok. TikTokers. 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 These are TikTokers, streetwise. Okay, and that's the end of this video. Alright, I'll post it when I get around to it. I hope you find it interesting. If you do, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe. Thank you.